If you're seeing a Discord error 403, that usually means access is being denied somewhere between your account, the server, or your network connection. The good news is that in most cases this is something you can identify and fix pretty quickly. In today's video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons for Discord error 403 and show you exactly what to check step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes and tech guides. Let's get into it. First, understand what error 403 means. It's basically a forbidden access error, which means Discord is stopping you from entering a server, opening a channel, or performing an action because something about your access is not allowed. One of the most common reasons is a server ban or kick. If you're trying to join a server and Discord won't let you in, there's a chance you were banned or removed from that server. In that case, the fix is simple. You'll need to contact the server moderators or the owner and ask whether your account was banned, removed, or restricted. If you were banned, you won't be able to join again until the ban is lifted. If you were kicked, you may be able to rejoin if the invite is still active and the server allows it. So the first thing to do is check whether the server itself is actually blocking your account. Next, another very common cause is missing server roles. Sometimes you can join a Discord server, but specific channels are still locked. That happens when the channel requires a role that you don't currently have. For example, some servers only allow verified members, subscribers, or special rank holders to view certain channels. If you click a channel and see a 403 error, the server may simply be restricting access until you get the correct role. To fix this, check the server's welcome channel, rules channel, or role assignment area. Some servers use reaction roles, some use verification steps, and some require you to ask a moderator directly. Once the proper role is assigned, refresh Discord and try opening the channel again. Now let's talk about the third big reason, an IP address block caused by Cloudflare. Discord uses security systems that may temporarily block your IP if it detects unusual traffic, repeated requests, or suspicious network behavior. This can happen even if your account is fine. If that's the issue, the easiest fix is to switch your connection. Try turning off your Wi-Fi and using mobile data, or connect to a different network if possible. You can also restart your router to get a new IP address in some cases. After switching networks, reopen Discord and test again. If the error disappears, then the issue was likely your IP connection rather than your account. You should also try basic troubleshooting steps while you're at it. Refresh the page or restart the Discord app, log out and sign back in, clear your browser cache if you're using Discord in a browser, and disable any VPN or proxy service temporarily, because those can sometimes trigger security blocks too. If you're on desktop, make sure the app is fully updated. If you're in a browser, try using a different browser just to compare results. Another helpful check is to see whether Discord is working on another device. If it works on your phone but not your PC, the issue may be local to your browser, router, or network settings. If it fails everywhere, then the problem is more likely tied to the server permissions or your account status. The key thing to remember is this: Discord error 403 is usually not random. It typically points to one of three problems. You've been banned or kicked from the server, you're missing the right role to access a channel, or Discord has temporarily blocked your IP address. Once you identify which one applies, the fix becomes much easier. If you're still stuck, double-check the exact server, channel, and action that triggered the error, because that clue usually tells you what kind of access is being blocked. I hope this helped you fix Discord error 403 quickly and clearly. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Discord issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.